We're walking at night here at the public park of Belgrade, facing the Parliament building. No, public park facing the Parliament building. Okay. What's the reason nga why we are here? We're looking for Chinese resto or Asian food. Sobrang lamig. Dami nang nag-enjoy sa more open spaces talaga, importante. Then you have a lot of trees, no? Yung mga trees sa park, so hindi na pinuputol. Okay. Dami mga trees sa public parks nila, no? Mga aso din. Dogs. Opportunity for the dogs too. Ganda ng mga buildings nila. Diba? Grabe. No? Puno ng ilaw talaga. And Serbia is still not part of EU pa. No? Serbia used to be part of Yugoslavia. Nag-break up sila. So, yung Belgrade, ito yung dating capital ng Yugoslavia. Ang ganda ng mga buildings nila, no? Ilaw nila. Hana wave. This is the lighted portion ng park. Saan ba doon? Ito na, itong streets na area. Oh. Ay, ganda, oh.